all who have gathered here today. I take great pleasure in welcoming you all to the award ceremony for the Class 3 students of the academic year 2019-20. It is my pleasure to welcome our beloved school principal, Mrs. Rukmani Sridharan, all the encouraging parents, teachers, and our dear students. Let us commence the ceremony with a prayer song by Samrita Balaji of Class 4. Over to you, Samrita.
शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा ज्ञानानन्दं मयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे ॐ नमः प्रणवाताय शुद्धज्ञानैकमूर्तये निर्मलाय प्रशान्ताय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा वृद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः असतो मा सद्गमय तमस्तो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मामृतङ्गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरे राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः.
Thank you, Samrita. That was truly divine. I feel honored to be recognizing the hard work, dedication, and perseverance of the students via their achievements. Without further ado, let us commence the ceremony with the announcement of the award winners. Over to you, Mrs. Anbisai.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. A warm welcome to all the parents and students who are gathered here. And now it's the time, the most awaited time to honor our precious students for the great achievement. Let's start. And humble request to all the parents, though it's a virtual meeting, definitely our little children can hear our hands clap as their names are being called out. Let's cheer them up. First we have Dion Roni, class 3A, who is the topper. Congratulations, Dion. Next, we have Hemant Rao from 3A. He's an all-rounder. Congratulations, Hemant.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, we have Mihika Gupta, class 3A. Congratulations, Mihika Gupta, on being an all-rounder.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, we have Tanvi Pradeep for class 3A. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Tanvi in becoming the all-rounder. Next, from 3A, we have Shrinan. Congratulations, Shrinan.
Thank
The
you, ma'am.
all-rounder award. Next, we have Delisha Mala from 3A. Congratulations, Delisha. Moving on to class 3B, we have Ahana Balaji, the class topper of 3B. Congratulations, Ahana. Next, we have Abhinav A from 3B. He is an all-rounder. Congratulations, Abhinav.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, we have Shruti Narasimhan from 3B. Congratulations, Kruti, for being the all-rounder of 3. We next have Jayant H from 3B. Good, Jayant. Congratulations on being the all-rounder. Next, we have Devyanshi Agrawal from 3B. Congratulations, Devyanshi, on being the all-rounder. Next, we have Faiha Mariam from 3B. Congratulations, Faiha, on being the all-rounder.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now we'll move on to class 3C. We have Megha, the class topper of 3C. Congratulations to all. Next, we have Kritik Krishna, an all-rounder from 3C. Congratulations, Kritik. We next have Shrika Chittu from 3C. Congratulations, Shrika, on being the all-rounder. Next, we have Sanjay J from 3C. Very good, Sanjay, on being the all-rounder. Congratulations. We next have Pranavan Anand from 3C. Congratulations, Pranavan, on being the all-rounder. Next, we have Tanushya from 3C. Congratulations, Tanushya, on being the all-rounder. Okay, so we'll move to 3D. So, congratulations, Shweta Ravishankar, for being the class topper. Next, we have Akshita from 3D. Congratulations, Akshita. Next, have Ashwant S from 3D.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Ashwant, all-rounder. Next, we have Leenia from 3D. Congratulations, Leenia, for being an all-rounder.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next, we have Sri Sashini from 3D. Congratulations, Sri Sashini, on being an all-rounder.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sai Mritika from 3D.
Thank you, ma'am.
Congratulations, Sai Mritika, on being an all-rounder. Okay, moving on to class 3E, we have Samrita Balaji. Congratulations, Samrita, on being the class topper of 3E. Okay, next we have Netra R from 3E. Congratulations, Netra, on being an all-rounder. Next we have Hani K from 3E. Good job. Congratulations, Hanish, on being an all-rounder. We next have Ashni AR from 3E. Congratulations, Ashni, on being an all-rounder. Next, we have Harish from 3E. Congratulations, Harish.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, we have Pranav Shankar from 3E. Congratulations, Pranav, on being an all-rounder. Okay, so let's cherish this precious moment. Congratulations to all the award winners. And finally, we have the super topper of class 3. So the super topper is Samrita Balaji. Congratulations, Samrita, for becoming the super topper of class 3.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good job. Okay, so with that, just a small announcement. Congratulations to all the winners, and you may collect your trophies and certificates from our school on 24th of March. That's the Wednesday, and the timing will be between 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So you can come to our school and collect your certificates and trophies. Congratulations once again, Vincent.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Mrs. Anbisai. Congratulations to all the award winners. I now request our beloved principal to address the gathering.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Really very happy to see our children with lot of joy, cheerfulness and happiness. We are really missing them in the school. When we designed the uniform last year, we were dreaming of our children in colorful uniforms across all corridors, making lovely noises. Every day we used to think about it. And we were not fortunate enough or blessed enough to enjoy those joyful moments. Nevertheless, we are happy that at least now our senior students are there in the school with us. We have been going to school and we had to paint them January to get their voices. Hopefully, we hope and pray that things should become normal and we should be receiving our children in the upcoming academic year. With that positive note, I would like to congratulate all the students who have received the Class Topper Award for General Proficiency and the All-Rounder Awards. Students, please understand, this success is only a journey. This is only a starting point. It is not an end by itself. You should continue your journey in your academic pursuits and win many more laurels in the years to come. I also would like to express my gratitude and my thanks to the beloved parents without whose support it is not possible to achieve whatever that we aspire for. Thank you, parents. And of course, my dedicated team of teachers and my admin team for always with us in all our endeavors. Thank you, one and all. Thank you for your presence and God bless all of us. Thank you, Deepthi. Thank you,
Thank you so
Anbisai.
much.
Wonderful presentation.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I request all the award winners of Class 3A to turn on the video for a group photo. Others
Let the
kindly
teachers
turn-
also join.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The award winners of Class 3A, kindly turn on the video for a group photo, and others kindly turn off the video.
Excuse me, ma'am. Anbisi, ma'am, can you stop sharing your screen?
Yes, ma'am, I've done that now.
Yes, I have clicked a picture.
Is it done, Sri Vidya ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, award winners of 3B, kindly turn on the video for a group photo. Award winners of 3B.
Yes. Next,
Okay.
please.
Okay. Now, award winners of Class 3C.
Deepthi ma'am, you can also switch on your video.
Yes, taken, ma'am.
Okay. Now, award winners of Class 3D.
Anbisai ma'am, you can also switch on your video.
It's taken, ma'am. Next,
Okay. Now,
please.
award winners of Class 3.
Yes, taken. Thank you.
Thank you, children. I request Mrs. Madhumita to deliver the vote of thanks.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Am I audible?
Yes, you
ma'am.
are.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. On behalf of our management and teachers of class 3, dear parents, my dear children, and my dear colleagues, I take this opportunity to thank you all for taking your time to attend this academic award ceremony. I would like to thank our respected principal ma'am for the great initiative of felicitating the students even during the pandemic. Once again, congratulations to all the winners and appreciate others who turned up to cheer them. As rightly said, success is a sum of all small efforts repeated day in and day out. Repeated day in and day out. All the best for your future endeavors. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, Madhumita ma'am. Ma'am, shall we wind up?
Yeah, you can.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, you can.
Thank you, parents.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye.